Okay, if you've done this correctly, you should have blouse as your result. So however, we don't want blouse as a result. NA should be the correct result. If I double click on this, we'll see that we've done a VLOOKUP for B6, 166. We've looked at the table, which is this area here, and we want the results from column 2. However, if you look for 166 across here, the first thing you'll notice is there is no 166. And to understand this, we need to go back to our grades and understand that if we gave Alice 55 marks, she gets a pass. Even though there is no 55 in this first column, Excel can calculate or can work out that the 55 sits between these two values, 50 and 60, and subsequently will return PA as the correct answer. When it gets to this one, remember it's looking for 166, and it looks down here, because the numbers aren't in numerical order, it actually tries to calculate the pattern that does exist there, and will end up giving you an answer which is perhaps not representative of what we're after. So in this case, what we do is after the 2, we leave the formula as it is, but at the end we put in a comma false, or you can use 0 as well. And what that says is NA. What the comma false does is it instructs Excel to look for that number 166 specifically in here, and if it can't find it, give me the answer of NA. So if we go back to our grades and apply it to this one, comma false, it'll say NA because there is no 55 here. If I change that to 55, it would give me pass as an answer. So depending on what sort of question you've got, when you've either got numbers in a table which aren't in order numerically, you may want to use the comma false.